We scored a Fresnel lens. Now to make the frame. Hello, sir. I assume you have a frame maker's license.
No, but we saw a YouTube video, so we think we can do it.
It looks benign, but you wouldn't want to lean that up against some building.
Found this in the garbage. Neighbor was throwing it out. We snagged it.
And it's a Fresnel lens. Everyone wants one.
So, and then we saw a sharp fellow on the internet that had built these frames. And I think his are better, but we built this frame. So we built this frame and put a couple washers in there, screwed it in, making sure we offset it so we didn't go into the lens. And now we got it. So you put it in position. Takes about a second once you focus it. You can hear it. It does its little wick thing.
You can hear it. It says, BAM! BAM!
Is that what that one guy was saying? BAM! So you, don't be copying.
No.
You're showing him respect.
No. Okay, listen. My mechanical engineer son, he says BAM all the time. Fire. That is fire.
It works on a sunny day.
BAM!
We're about a week and a half or a week from winter solstice, and we still get a fire.